Hello, welcome to our first video. I'm Rimbit and I've been trading stocks for 2 years now. Layla is an inspiration to me and I hope I can become as great as she is one day. But she has already traded for almost 6 years now, so I think I got some time left. Let's get right into some stocks and take a look at some great opportunities from last week. FJet, AMCY and HXHX. HXHX is an IPO from the 15th of April this year. Since then, it hasn't made any significant move yet. It just had been gone down slowly and slowly. Besides that, there's an interesting gap here on the daily, right here. Now, we zoom into the 1 minute. It started moving Monday in pre-market. When it kept running on market open with a lot of volume, we knew to keep an eye on it during the day. It started to reject the top of the daily gap once, here, and an hour later even a second time. So we knew this would be the resistance point, but also our breakout level. If it could break this level and base on it, we knew it could get a nice move. So we waited and waited. And when it finally broke in the last 30 minutes of the trading day and started to base above it, we took an entry and made a nice 30% move. Our risk was just that top of the gap level, so $1.02-ish. Another nice trade this week was FJet. FJet is a really fresh IPO, which made a high of $17.67 on its IPO date. So when it broke Monday, that level, and bounced from and based on it, we started the position. It bounced one more time from our breakout level and then kept going up and up and up and up and up till the end of the day for an almost 100% move. So these two trades were very easy. The third trade though was AMCY and a D-spec, so also relatively fresh on the market, but this one was a bit more difficult because we didn't have an easy breakout level like a gap or an all-time high like the other two, as the $15 level, which rejected it a few times before last week, was too far away. But we did set an alert for a downtrend breakout because we still had it on our watch list from last week. When it broke the downtrend and bounced from it one more time and kept consolidating, we started the position once the volume came in. From then, we made the 20 EMA, the pink line, our risk, because it had used this line a few times as a support today. We kept riding till it lost it. At around $11.40 we sold our position for an almost 40% play. Not as easy as the first two, but still nice. So these three were great opportunities to make money. Also, let's take a quick look at two swings, Yova and GLSY. Yova is a biotech stock, so very news related, risky, but the chart is interesting. It broke this huge downtrend and is ready to break this next one. As long as it holds this uptrend, it could be interesting to get some. Maybe they get some nice news in the future and send it to 5 plus or something. Then GLSY. This one has been consolidating for years and hasn't made a new low since 2022. Maybe it's finally ready to break out. If it breaks this 21.50 level strong, it could be the end of the consolidation and start an uptrend to maybe 40 or 50. And finally, for tomorrow, maybe you can watch SQFT. I will do, as it has huge room on the chart and it acted a bit sussy last Friday. It rejected multiple times around this area. Maybe it could get a nice move on it once it breaks it. Then, for now, if you saw this video, thanks for watching, and I hope we will see you next week. I think Lila will be there too, yeah. Bye!